So I'm having the hiccups right now. What I'm gonna do is take a big gulp of water, hold my breath first, and take a big gulp of water, and then jump to jolt the system, and that should get rid of the hiccups. What's going on? See, so then I felt the air bubbles bursting and the froggy sound, which means the air bubbles like dissipated completely. Yeah, I feel it bursting some more. Okay, that's it. My hiccup's gone. I'll stand here for a couple more seconds. So what I did there was basically held my breath for a couple seconds and took a big gulp of water. You can take a couple gulps if you want, and then do an immediate jump. And what that does is it just like juggles the water all over the place and see, so done.